Being a freelancer sounds like the dream. Flexible hours, work from home, at ikaw ang boss ng oras mo. Pero alam mo ba na may mga simpleng habits na unti-unting nakakasira sa productivity, health, at career mo? Let's talk about 10 everyday habits that secretly hurt freelancers. Akala mo harmless lang ang multitasking or working on the couch, pero over the time, these habits can cost you clients and even your health. Curious? Let's dive in. Habit 1. Working on the couch or bed. Yes, comfortable siya sa simula. Pero bad posture leads to back pain, neck strain, or mababang focus. Mas mabuti pa rin ang may dedicated workspace ka. Habit number 2. Skipping breaks. Maraming freelancers ang nakaupo ng 5 to 6 hours straight. Ang ending, eye strain, burnout, at less creativity. Remember, small breaks is equal to better productivity. Habit number 3. Saying yes to all clients. Kung lahat ng projects kinukuha mo, mauubos ka. Result, late outputs, low quality, and stress. Learn to say no or raise your rates. Habit number 4. Drinking too much coffee. Freelancer fuel daw, pero sobrang caffeine equals anxiety, palpitations, at less sleep quality. Mas healthy ang tubig or herbal tea. Habit number 5. Poor client communication. Walang klarong updates equals nawawala ang trust ng client. Remember, a 2-minute message can save your project and build long-term relationships. Habit number 6. Multitasking too much. Akala natin mas mabilis kapag sabay-sabay ginagawa ang tasks. Pero, studies show multitasking actually lowers productivity by 40%. So, mas okay na tapusin ang isang task ng buo bago lumipat. Habit number 7. Ignoring accounting and expenses. Maraming freelancers ang hindi nagtatabi ng records. Ang ending, hindi alam kung kumikita ba talaga o lugi. Track your income and expenses, kahit simple Excel lang or apps like Xero or QuickBooks. Habit number 8. Not upgrading skills. Kung di ka nag-aaral ng bago, may iwan ka ng mga competitors. Remember, clients pay more for updated skills. So let's invest 1 to 2 hours a week in online courses or tutorials. Habit number 9. Escaping sleep for deadlines. Madaling sabihin na okay lang magpuyat para matapos ang project. Pero kulang sa tulog equals poor focus, irritability, at mas mababang quality output. Sleep is part of productivity. Habit number 10. No exercise at all. 8 to 10 hours na nakaupo equals freelancing normal. Pero, long sitting increases risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart problems. So kahit 15 to 20 minutes stretching or walking daily can save your health. That's it. And now let's talk about how can we fix that habit. Here are the 6 freelancing hacks para hindi ka bumagsak sa traps na to. Create a dedicated workspace. Second, use Pomodoro timer apps. Third, track your finances regularly. Fourth, set clear boundaries with your clients. Fifth, keep learning and upgrading skills. And sixth, get enough sleep and exercise daily. So freelancing gives freedom, yes, pero kailangan din ng discipline and healthy habits para magtagal. Remember, small changes lead to big results. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow freelancer then. Remember, work smart, live better.